Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful sunflower pattern. Very easy to make and beginner friendly, so let's get started. For this tutorial here I am using two color of yarn, 4mm of crochet hook and also scissors. First I am using brown color of yarn for making the base of the flower. So first we will make the magic ring. Wrap yarn around your two finger like this. Hold it. Now insert your hook like this and pull the second yarn outside. Here we have a magic ring. Next we're gonna make chain 1 on top for single crochet. Just chain 1. For making chain yarn over the hook and pull it into loop like this. Here we have chain. Next we're gonna make single crochet. Insert the hook into the magic ring, pull the yarn. Here we have 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull it into 2 loops. Insert the hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loops. Just insert your hook into the magic ring, pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loops. Insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loops. You see clearly the single crochet stitches. Repeat the same pattern. Make total of 10 single crochet inside the magic ring. Insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loops. So don't forget any part of the video for making any mistake. Just insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into 2 loops. And complete the total of 10 single crochet stitches. Here my 10 single crochet stitches complete. Now pull this yarn tightly and just close the magic ring. Pull the yarn tightly. You see clearly the magic ring will be closed. Now insert your hook into the first of single crochet and make slip stitch. First insert your hook into the loop and also insert your hook into the first of single crochet and pull yarn twice. After making slip stitch, we will gonna make chain 1 on top, pull the yarn over and just cut it with your scissors. After cutting the yarn, pull the leftover yarn tightly and secure your work in the last. You see clearly this is the base of the sunflower. Just pull it tightly and close the magic ring. Now tell me in the comment how long it is. Next we will make the sunflower petals on the sides like here. For making sunflower petal, here I am using yellow color of yarn. So first we will hold yarn like in fingers. For making slip stitch, just hold yarn like this. Now insert your hook into the first of single crochet chain on top. Just insert your hook like here and make slip stitch first, yarn over and pull it into single crochet like this. After this 2 chain on top, we will gonna make 2 chain, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it. Next we will make double crochet stitch into the next chain. Just yarn over the hook, insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn. Here we have 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Make 2 more double crochet into the same chain, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Make 1 more double crochet into the same chain below. For making leaf pattern, we will gonna make total of 3 double crochet in each chain. Pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. My 3 double crochet stitch is complete. Now chain 2 on top, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it. Insert your hook into the next chain and make slip stitch. Just insert your hook into the next chain and pull yarn twice like this. This is the first flower petal. Now for the next petal, chain 2 on top, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it. Again make 3 double crochet stitches, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Make 2 more into the same chain below. Every leaf we will gonna make in total of 2 chains below. Like in base we will have the total of 10 single crochet stitches. Now we will use 2 stitches for every leaf pattern. So slip stitch into the next chain like here, and on top we will have the total of 5 leaves. Now for the next leaf, chain 2 again, make 3 double crochet into the next chain, two chain on top. After 3 double crochet and then slip stitch into the next chain, Again for the next leaf pattern we will gonna make total of 2 chain on top. Just 2 chain on top, then 3 double crochet into the next space, 1, 2 and 3. After making 3 double crochet, 2 chain on top and then slip stitch into the next chain below like this. Now I make the last petal of the sunflower, 2 chain, then 3 double crochet into the next chain, 1, 2 and 3. After making 3 double crochet, chain 2 on top, insert your hook into the first of single crochet like here and pull yarn twice, make last slip stitch. After making last slip stitch, chain 1 on top, pull the yarn over and just cut it with your scissors. In the last, we will pull the leftover yarn tightly and secure your work in the end. Next, I will show you how to hide the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Make sure you will take the back side of the stitches. Here I am using crochet hook. Insert your hook into the back side of the stitches and just pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches. You see clearly. Next we will repeat the same pattern and hide this yarn inside the stitches. Insert your hook into the stitches and pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Just pull it tightly. After pulling the yarn, just cut the leftover yarn like this. This is the complete and the final look. So if you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.